Hedge trimmers, they are really easy to sharpen and you don't even need power tools to do it. So I like to clamp it down to the bench so it's secure and doesn't move. Then all you need is a flat file. So you need to get the blades so they're offset. And make sure you take the battery out or disconnect from the mains. So then all you have to do is a few passes on each blade. But if you're a bit impatient like me, you can use an angle grinder. So I've got a flap disc in this. So it's lots of pieces of sandpaper glued to a disc. This is a 60 grit. So it should leave quite a fine finish. So now I'll put the battery back in and I'll move the blades so I can do the other side of the blade. Now I've just got to turn it over and do the other sides. So that's how you sharpen a hedge trimmer. Dead easy, dead simple, dead quick. Anyone can do it. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.